Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to personally thank everybody for your purchase. Okay, so when you receive your package, it's going to look something like this. Okay, you're going to pull out the contents in it. All right, we're going to pull this out. All right, it's going to look something like this. Okay, so in here, it's going to be everything to mix together. We're going to pull all of this stuff out of here. All right, now what we're going to have is this right here. This is the Detox Tea that we use. And we're also going to have some sweeteners in here, okay? So one pack is going to make 1 gallon, all right? So what we're going to do, we're going to take our tea. We're going to get our gallon of water, okay? Make sure you get a gallon of water, guys. If you guys ordered, go ahead and get your gallon of water for each week's supply that you guys ordered, okay? So what we're going to do, as you can see, I have my gallon of water. I have a pot, okay? We're going to take this gallon and we're going to pour 1/4 of the gallon into a pot. All right, we're going to pour 1/4 of the gallon. That's about 1/4. All right, so for my local customers, we do make the gallons pre-made, but for the people that we're shipping out to, it's much cheaper for shipping if we just send you the contents to make it, and it doesn't lose its potency, you know? So we want you guys to have it fresh, so we're sending you everything it takes to go ahead and make it fresh, and it's very, very quick process to get it done. Okay, so we're gonna take that water, pour the 1/4 out of the gallon. Now, all we're going to do is bring this pot of water to a boil, okay? So that's only going to take a few minutes. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to take 1 pack to make 1 gallon. We're going to take 1 pack, and we're going to open this up. And we're going to pour this 2 packs in here. Put both of those into that pot, okay? So we're going to bring that to a boil, and we're going to let that steep for 4 to 8 hours. Personally, I like to do 8 hours, okay? When it comes to a boil, just cut your water off. Take it off the eye, put a top on it, scoot it to the back. All right, and for each gallon, sorry about that. For each gallon, you're going to get 4 sweeteners, okay? 4 sweeteners with whatever flavor that you chose when you purchased, okay? So you're going to go ahead and take your sweeteners. These are all 0 sugar, 0 calorie. We pour this into the gallon, 1 by 1. And we put 4 in 1 gallon, okay? I personally hate drinking tea. So we had to spice it up, and this is how we make it into a healthy juice, okay? 3rd pack. Last pack. Okay. Put your top back on. Okay, this is how your gallon is going to look. Go ahead and start giving it a shake. Okay, that's how it's gonna look. And after what you poured in here is done steeping for 4 to 8 hours, you pour that back in here to fill up your gallon, and it's drink time, baby.